File Transfer Demo. You need to install QuickTooth app on the remote control first. Use your browser to search for FastTeeth app and download it. Download and install the app. Open QuickTooth app. Press the Transfer button, then select the Join button. Then use your cell phone to open the QuickTooth app to connect. Then select Photos and Videos on the remote control. After selecting, click on the File Transfer button to send it to your cell phone.